Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to retype or rewrite text in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and I'll rewrite this page and I'll save this text. Click this edit option and select here edit text, this one, and click here and see this text box now showing and mouse cursor now showing. You can type in new text and see this. Also you can remove any line if you want and see this. Now you can change this text font size, font is click here and this is here you can change this font size, this font style also you can change here, calibri light. Also you can make it bold, italic, you can align this text and so on. In this you can rewrite a text, also you can remove or adjust text font size. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.